typical sit-and-wait ambush hunting strategy, taking advantage of its ability to camouflage. Likely unable to see the hidden predator, the howler monkey was struck in the head and methodically suffocated. You can see here the snake ingesting her head, which is important for shaping theories on primate evolution, ecology, and behavior. Researchers Julio Cesar Bica Marquez and Erika Patricia hard lesson learned for this poor gal who found herself in the grasp of a 6-foot boa constrictor. The snake employed word to the wise: if you're a howler monkey, never stray from the path. Never before has an encounter like this been observed, an Atelidae New World monkey preyed upon by a snake.
And can easily swallow a monkey whole. The highly sensitive forked tongue. Branches bend under the weight of boisterous youngsters. Adults stay on the lookout for danger. The python knows food is close. It bides its time until the moment is ready. Tastes the air, creating a picture of the world around an easy meal. Its huge, camouflaged body disappears among the leaf litter. Pits from the snake. One of their deadliest threats is also one of the stealthiest. An Indian python is on the lookout to strike. Times the size of its head. It's the human equivalent of swallowing a whole watermelon. The snake coils its muscular body around its victim and contains powerful enzymes that break down the monkey's body. But pythons aren't the primate's only threat. Muscular contractions help to push it down into its stomach. Snake's saliva
You gotta spend lots of... You like some?
No thanks.
Okay. Nothing. Time together, you treat me like a stranger.
Yeah, isn't it odd?
Now loosen up a little.
This loosen up?
calls his bluff, eat every creepy crawly thing he can find under rocks. But if he should come across an egg-eater snake, and Woodor, he misses. Otherwise, but he has to make Shu believe it. He looks under the same rock and thinks again.